Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Irfan Zafar, CEO of Aramsoft Private Limited. My resolution for the coming year 2022 is to make Aramsoft a better place to work, to contribute for the careers of all the team members for their exponential growth, and to open branches of Aramsoft in different countries to make Aramsoft an international enterprise. And I am also looking to contribute in the society by participating in different social activities, so I can give my best for the society as well. I'm also looking to contribute my expertise for the trainings of new graduates. I'm also looking to hire fresh graduates for their training programs where they can learn the latest technologies. I'm also looking to travel around the globe as much as I can in the coming year to explore different ventures. Happy New Year.
Assalamualaikum. My New Year resolution is to improve processes in Aramsoft and establishing new departments and introducing a new technology stacks. Happy New Year.
Hey, my name is Mohammad Adil Irfan. My New Year resolution is to increase the quality of code here at Aramsoft and take Aramsoft to the next level. Thank you. Have a happy New Year.
Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Mohammad Dirham Irfan and my resolution for 2022 is to promote a healthy company culture and provide the best experience for Aramsoft family and to stay humble as well. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Shahid. First of all, I will say thanks to Aramsoft for promoting me as a VP engineer. My resolution for 2022 is to advance my team with new and advanced technologies. Happy New Year.
Hi, my name is Danish Hamid. My New Year resolution is to become the CEO of Aramsoft and wants to open the new offices in United States and Canada. Happy New Year.
Hi, this is Fahim Ansari, Senior Marketing Manager at Aramsoft. In 2022, I'm looking for a beautiful lady for marriage. If anyone interested me, please contact me. Happy New Year 2022.
Hi, my name is Farhan Ali and I am Senior Software Engineer at Aramsoft, and my New Year resolution for 2022 is to go abroad and pursue my educational career. As due to COVID-19, I won't be able to go outside the country, so now the flights are open, so my plan is to go abroad. Thank you.
Okay, so my New Year resolution is to stop lying to myself about following New Year resolutions, because we all know I'm not going to do it. So yeah, that's it.
Hi everyone, my name is Ali Shahzad and I work as a team leader at Aramsoft in the lead generation department. So here's a quick overview about my New Year's resolution. So my New Year's resolution for this year is that I'm going to do something that will enhance the company's overall value, that will amplify my self-growth and will eventually affect the atmosphere of the learning environment. So yes, let's change the culture, let's make it an intuitive one, and best of luck for the new year.
Assalamualaikum, this is Mohtisham, Senior Project Coordinator at Aramsoft, and my New Year's resolution is to become a better version of myself and excel in my field, and to make difference in someone's life positively. Thank you very much. Happy New Year and stay blessed.
Hi, my name is Zain Sultan. I am Senior SEO Analyst. My resolution for 2022 is accept my mistakes and improve them. Happy New Year.
Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me Abdurrahman Qureshi, Senior System Analyst in Aramsoft. Resolution for the 2022 is I want to recite translation of Holy Quran in this year, inshallah ta'ala, and spread positivity. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nabaga Iftikhar. I am Associate Software Engineer at Aramsoft. My resolution for the next year, I will make sure that people will call my name correctly, because it's not Nobaga, not Nabaga. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Hello everyone, my name is Usama Ali. I am Business Development Executive at Aramsoft, and my New Year resolution is that I have to earn a lot of money and I have to travel all around the world. Like I have to explore new things, explore new food, new places all around the globe. And I need to learn and research on the human psychology. That's the most important thing I wanted to do. So Happy New Year and all the best.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Umair Afzal, Technical Project Manager at Aramsoft. Actually, I have two New Year resolutions. First one, as a parent, I would be spending more time with my son to create harmony and become role model for my kid. Second one, as an IT professional, I want to introduce at least one new idea which can improve environment and global ecosystem. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamza Mubin and I am currently working in Aramsoft as a blockchain developer. My New Year 22 resolution is to make maximum money so I can party hard. That's it. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Hassan. I am a senior software engineer at Aramsoft. My New Year resolution for 2022 is to see myself at a better position. I want to lead the juniors and to help them to enhance their skills. Inshallah. Happy New Year.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zair Qureshi. I am a new software engineer at Aramsoft. My 2022 New Year resolution is to compare myself and do better, work hard for the company and pay better. Thank you.
लबे आँखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया.
Okay, there are a lot of things that I want to achieve in 2022, but the main thing I am focusing on to launch my own song. So wish me good luck and Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you so much.
I'm Amrit, and as we all know that we have already spent 2 years with pandemic, so my New Year resolution is to enjoy each and every moment, stay positive, stay focused, and do little act of kindness whenever I get a chance. Plus, I also learn to drive scooty. Happy New Year.
Hi, my name is Ali Haidar, and my resolution for 2022 is to become a student of Sufism. Stay blessed. Happy New Year.
Hello, my name is Hamza Salman Waris, and my resolution for 2022 is that I would like to quit smoking. So Happy New Year, guys.
Hi, this is Ali Nawaz, and my New Year resolution is to travel more, and obviously for that I have to earn more, and to eat healthy, to stay positive, and to be around the positive people. Thank you so much.